Good evening! Sana naririnig niyo na ang boses ko kasi alam ko gumagana na 'tong StreamYard na 'to. This is the very first time I use StreamYard. Sana tamang pinaggagagawa ko. And we are live tonight, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, and children at heart. Welcome! Yokuso minasan. Sana tamang pronunciation ko. If not, nakakahiya naman yan. Welcome to Itanong Mo Kay Aquino, Gago Ang Sasagot. Palakpakan tayo. As you may have noticed, this is the very first episode, again, ng very first season ng palabas na to. Dahil lang sa stream na tayo sa page ng Itanong Mo Kay Aquino, Gago Ang Sasagot. Any video, any live stream na ginawa ko prior to this page is season 0 ng palabas na to. Everything that's all that's all in the past. Now we are going to make this more streamlined, more mas comprehensible kumbaga. Anyway, we are here tonight. Marami tayong mapag-uusapan. At nakita niyo man, maliwanag ang pagmumukha ko. Naka-set up din ng ring light ng kapatid ko. I never thought I'd be able to use it. Sana matino naman yung kinalalabasan ng live stream na to. Hi Jibs, kumusta? Long time no see. I can't say that kasi mapagkakamalan akong racist, pero still, inside joke na rin naman natin yan. Hello, Jibs. Kung may katanungan ka, hold it for now. I have a few words to say and an opening question that I can answer. I have to answer first. Okay, so, if you're new to this live stream, ladies and gentlemen, adjust ko lang to. Yan. If you're new to this live stream, this is a live stream where I answer any question you throw at my direction under the sun. Anything, as in literally anything, I will answer it for you. Now, if you like what we do in the Banyo Productions and the Banyo Podcast Reflushed, please like our Facebook pages, facebook.com/Itanong Mo Kay Aquino. Yan, nakikita nyo naman dito sa banner sa baba. It's this little thing na gumagalaw pakanan, tama. Kala ko kasi baliktad tong camera basta yan. In all of our links down below, like our Facebook pages, kung medyo gusto nyong mag-donate sa payamanin natin si Carl Aquino Foundation, ay meron kaming coffee. Diyan, coffee, ko-fi.com/ The Banyo Productions. Also, kung interested kayo sa literature and sa small press, mga zines, meron kaming binebentang zines, mga short story compilation, tinatawag kumbaga. Yan yung gumroad.com/stories and podcasts. You can buy the PDF version of my zine, Anecdotes from Another World. Bunutin ko lang, excuse me. Ito yan. Ay, shucks, nakikita yung Wait lang. Di ko maintindihan pa to. Nakabukas pa pala yung green screen. Nakabukas pa pala yung green screen nito. Hayop. Ayan. So, ito. Biglang gumalaw eh. That's a fail. Okay, this Anecdotes from Another World is my zine. Very first short story collection zine, compilation zine. And you can get that PDF version for only 200 pesos. Kung gusto niyo ng physical copy, it's going to be 350 ng konti. Kasi syempre, may shipping pa tapos printing costs and all that jazz. Yeah. Or kung gusto niyo man, you can support the Philippine Podcast Directory by buying merchandise. As you can see, I'm clearly wearing, I am wearing the merch of the Banyo Productions. I have to represent the brand. I am proud that I am a part of something that is really, really amazing. It does a lot of good things in what they do. Yan, okay na yan. I've been rambling on shit. We've been plugging my stuff for the past few minutes now. And we are going to our very first question. Kasi meron na akong question. Handa na siya. Nasa cellphone ko. Babasahin ko lang. It's a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions from my Bebe Labs, Jade Okazaki. Hello, Bebe girl. Miss you. I love you, bitch. I ain't never gonna stop loving you, bitch. Love you. Okay. Our very first question is from Jade Okazaki. Kasi itong first question niya, para yan sa mga nanonood ng anime or nagbabasa ng manga ng Toilet Bound Hanako-kun. She's a big fan of this ship between two characters. Pangalan ng isa ay Aoi Akane and the other one's named Akane Aoi. And so it's a whacked up and fucked up shit. May may kung ano man yun. Anyway, her first question for tonight is, what are my thoughts on the Aoi Aoi ship? Yung si Akane Aoi and Aoi Akane. If you're not familiar with them, Google nyo muna sila. You can Google them and para makita nyo kung sino-sino yung alin. Now, here are my thoughts on the characters. Well, for one, I like the dynamic that they have right now. One is a simp. Yung isa ay, yung isa ay in denial. I'm not going to delve into the, into the spoiler area of things. But I really like how one would do anything they can in their power to protect the other. And vice versa. I think vice versa naman yan. Pagkakaintindi ko, sa mga kinukwento mo sa akin, vice versa yon. Yun yung pagkakaintindi ko. Gusto ko rin yung fact na they're polar mirrors of each other. Sa pangalan pa lang, Aoi Akane, Akane Aoi. So, yung isa, yung babae, ano yan? Magiging Aoi-Aoi o magiging Akane-Akane? I think magiging Aoi-Aoi. Yun ata yan eh. Yeah, yun yan. So, yun ang una kong thoughts sa Aoi Akane. I actually, as much as I like, as much as I like Aoi-Aoi, yung ship na yan, I much rather would back the ship between, Yashiro and ayoko sabihing Ao-chan kasi di rin naman sila pero sino ba mas gusto kong i-ship sa kanila? I mean, okay lang naman yung Aoi-Aoi ship. Pero parang pakiramdam ko mas gusto ko pang ma-back up yung sina Yashiro at si Hanako kaysa sa kina Aoi-Aoi. I'm sorry, Muff. I'm sorry. Yun lang opinion ko. You asked for my thoughts on that stuff. Yun. Okay. So, second question. What is your favorite ice cream flavor and why is it sweet? God fucking damn it. I trusted you. To give me good ideas and good questions. How dare you? It's not sweet corn. It's actually chocolate. And some variations ng chocolate. Chocolate, milk chocolate. Cookies and cream, Rocky Road. Well, basically, yung tatlong lang yan. I hate mint chocolate. Fuck you. Fuck you for saying otherwise na masarap yan. Fuck you. It's so weird. Pero okay lang. You can enjoy your you can enjoy your you can enjoy your mint chocolate all you want. Just keep that shit away from me. Magagalit ako. Nabiro lang. Anyway, next question. Question number 3. What is my favorite song in the Nectar album besides Pretty Boy? Ito kasi ngayon. Mga bata, ganito kasi yan. Etong si Joji kasi, si aka Filthy Frank, he just released within this month last month, parang a few weeks ago, Joji just released his second album called Nectar, and I've been listening to it for a few weeks now. I'm enjoying every song that it had. But if I were to pick, I would pick either Sanctuary, Gimme Love, and Daylight. Maliban sa yun yung mga naunang lumabas na at may mga music video na release, mas gusto ko yung compositions nila eh. Especially Daylight. Parang nandun pa rin yung pagiging sad boy ni Joji. Joji talaga. Jojit Baldivino. Nandun pa rin yung pagiging sad boy ni Joji. Pero, ang gusto ko dun ay yung parang somewhat optimistic yung tone niya para sa akin. Kung ano yung, yun yung pagkaka-perceive ko dun sa anong yun. Sa kantang yun. Mas, hindi naman talaga siya, wala namang hints ng pagiging optimistic ng kantang yun. Pero gusto ko lang talaga yung tono no, nalala yung may parts doon na di ko alam kung anong tawag doon eh. Di ako music buff eh. Basta may gusto akong part doon na parang may mataas na nota na naaabot yung background Ako kung anong mga tawag diyan. Basta gusto ko yun. Mas gusto ko yung Daylight. Sanctuary maganda dahil ang unang pumapasok talaga sa isipan ko doon ay yung it's more of like a space-themed shit. Yun. Space-themed, space adventure yun. Yung, ang naalala ko ang nabasa ko dati sa ano yun? Sa nakalimutan ko yun. Sa genius.com ng kantang yun ay nung una daw narinig ni Joji yung melody ng kantang yun, naisip niya kaagad space adventure. Kaya yun yung music video na lumabas. Plus gusto ko rin yung lore na nandun sa music video na yun. Maraming siyang connected siya dun sa iba't ibang mga music videos na ni-release niya para sa album na to. So, I really love those three So, ano yung nasabi ko? Sanctuary, Gimme Love. Ayun, Gimme Love. Gusto ko siya dahil siya yung parang start ng lore na binubuo ni Joji ngayon. Kasi if you haven't noticed, yung mga music videos na nire-release ni Joji ng mga huling past 2 years, I think, yung mga music videos niya, merong overarching theme and story na kinakwento tungkol sa isang space guy. Hindi siya in chronological order ni release. Pero nakakatuwa yung nakikita mo, ay, ito pala yun, yung simula niyan. Ito yung nangyari. Nagkakaroon kayo ng mga theories. Jade and I have been conceptualizing theories and our thoughts on how the story really goes. Tapos kung ano yung mga kanta at mga music videos na pumapasok doon sa lore na yon. So I really like conceptualizing theories on his music videos. Okay, next question. Kailan darating yung piping hot bowl of chili mansico with iced coffee that has 6 tube ice in it? Well, first of all, may COVID pa, baby girl. Muffin, may COVID pa. As much as I'd like to personally buy the shit and then give it to you in your doorstep, I just can't. Ang layo mo. Ang layo mo. As much as I want to, gustong gusto ko man na gusto ko mang mabigay sa yung makagustuhan mo. I really can't, unfortunately, right now. Pero hintay ka lang, baby girl. Mawala lang yung virus na yan. Sasampalin ko na talaga yung virus na yan. Hanapin ko yan. Saan ba yung virus na yan? Sasampalin ko lang yung virus na yan. Ako nang bahala sa'yo, baby girl. Don't worry. Last question from my baby girl. Favorite artist mo so far at bakit si James yon? Sino si James yon? I've never met this James Yun. I don't know who this person is. I do know, however, your brother, James, who is an artist na magaling na na drawing, yung artist. Yan. He makes stuff. Plug in, shout out ko lang din pala yung kapatid ni Bebe Girl, si James. He has his own nasulat ko na yun dito. Meron siyang sarili niyang Facebook Twitter account kung saan siya nag-upload ng mga mga gawa niya, mga works of art niya. Unfortunately, hindi siya ganun kadalas mag-upload. Pero pag pumunta kayo doon, go give him a like and go follow him on his Twitter. Tell him that Carl sent you and yan, enjoy hindi nga lang siya nag-open ng commissions, pero I hope makita niyo ang isang budding artist and how he grows as he grows on the medium. And if you ever want to follow his Twitter account, it's twitter.com/goctodomain. Type ko rin dito sa comment section para makita nyo. It's twitter.com/G octodomain. Yan. Para mag-post. Yan, I think. Yan, there we go. Yan. Ito. Twitter.com/GoctoDomain. I wouldn't have been able to do this kung yung yung Facebook Live Manager lang ang gagamitin ko. I was actually planning on using OBS kaso hindi ko gets. So I may transition from this to OBS. Wag na gets ko na yan. And for now, enjoy muna natin na itong StreamYard muna ang gamit natin. Okay, sige. Those are Bebe Girls questions. You can ask me anything under the sun, ladies and gentlemen. Comment lang kayo dito, or kung gusto nyong sumali sa live stream na to, gusto nyong makasama sa live stream na to, mga kaibigan, copy ko lang to. You can join in on the fun. Just click in on this just click on this link, streamyard.com. Go sama ka, kung gusto nyong tanungin ako live and in person, mag-usap tayo. Kaibigan, usap tayo. Open-minded naman ako sa business. Yeah. Kung gusto niyo magtanong sa akin ng tungkol sa literature, sa arts, sa crafts, sa science, wag sa math. Bobo ako sa math. Maniwala kayo sa akin. Bobo ako henyo ako pagdating sa kahit na pero bobo ako sa math. Maniwala kayo sa akin. Okay, nagte-text sa akin yung kapatid ko dahil naka-live stream ako. Wait lang mga kaibigan. Wait lang. I'm not going anywhere. Babasahin ko lang yung niya. Wait lang. Wait lang, live na ako eh. Wait lang, live na ako. Mamaya na. Yeah, there we go. So, if you have more questions, ladies and gentlemen, send it over via the comment section kung medyo camera shy kayo. Or kung di naman kayo camera shy at wala kayong malakas yung apog nyo, wala kayong hiya. And yan. Saan ba yan? There we go. StreamYard.com/whatever this bullshit is. It's randomized anyway. It's a randomized link. So if you have any questions, anything regarding anything, kahit tungkol man yan sa kahit tungkol man yan sa kung ano yung kinain ko kaninang tanghali, pwede nyo tanungin sa akin. Yan. Nasagot mo na questions ko. Bakit may nagtatanong sa akin gamit ng sarili kong Muffin, if that's you, yes, I've already answered your questions. Yan yung nyo. Yan yung pambungad ko na questions. Yes, you Muff. Yes, you Muff. You're commenting as the page. I made you as the I made you one of the admins. But yes, I've already answered your questions. You can, pag natapos tong live stream na to, you can go back, unfortunately. Yeah. So, yan. So, the night is still young. It's already just 20 minutes in. 21 minutes. Kung titignan natin tong, saan ba yan? Medyo duling ako paminsan-minsan. Yan. There we go. We are still in 22 minutes. Nabot ko din. If you have any questions, go ask it on the comment section, or if you have a webcam, or you're using your phone, or basta may camera lang kayo at headphones, you can join in on the fun. I'll add you into this bullshit. Anyway, so updates muna ako in my life. I've been unemployed for a month now, I guess. Almost a month. nag-resign ako. Hindi ako sinesante. I left the company on my own. And I'm not going to full detail as to why. Basta nakita ko lang na I think I have more opportunities not there. Oh, kasi I don't wanna be there. Kasi pag nandun ako, I won't be able to make anything. Napansin niyo man, hiatus uli ang itanong mo kay Aquino pag every time na nung nag-livestream uli ako, tapos kailangan kong bumalik sa opisina, nawawala kaagad. Hindi rin ako nakakapag-record ng matinong episodes ng TBPR. At kung may kailangan mang i-record, kung may kailangan man akong i-record na linya, hindi kagandahan. Why though? Anong why though? Hi Clark, ano to? Sir, tanong lang ho. Paano ako manonood na hindi admin? Bobo ako eh. Hindi ka naman bobo. Ganto kasi yan. Kung nasa, cellphone kasi. Hindi ko alam. Basta nakakapanood ka ni. Meron sa gilid ata dito sa baba. Yung sa like, comment, share, tapos may picture na maliit ng photo, ng profile picture mo. You can click it down. Tapos magkakaroon ng Dropbox ba to? Hindi ko alam. Basta may bumababang bullshit. Nandun yung profile picture mo, tapos yung pages na hinahandle mo. Right now, nakaklik ka pa rin siguro sa itanong mo kay Aquino. Kaya ayan. So Clark asks, why you left? Iyon nga, nasabi ko kanina, I think I don't have opportunity. I'll get stagnant in that company. If I don't leave, I'll just I won't go anywhere in life. I'm looking in the long run. I'm looking for the long term. As you can see naman, nag-upgrade ako ng kagamitan. Only means one thing. I'm here for the long run in the podcasting business. I hope maging business ko nga yun. And I'd like to try out a lot of stuff. Kaya ayun. Pin ko ulit yung itanong mo kay Aquino. StreamYard.com. If you ever want to join in on the fun, copy paste this, lagay niyo sa browser niyo and log in. You can join in and ask me anything. My questions are delayed, my internet access. Okay lang yan, it's fine. And it's a part of life. It's a part of being a Filipino. You have to endure slow internet. Kahit na magawa natin. Sir, wag niyo po ako sesantihin. Wala akong laptop para makapanood ng parang normal na tao. Love you. Kasi si Bebe Labs yan. Si Bebe Labs yung co-admin ko sa pages ng itanong mo kay Aquino at sa page ng TBPR and the Banyo Productions. The Banyo Productions shirts only available at Philippine Podcast Directory. That's facebook.com/Philippine Podcast Directory. Get them yours today. Okay, sige. If you have more questions, kung gusto niyo sumali, mag-join in sa fun natin, you can copy this link. Again, you can copy and paste this, post it into your web browser. Kahit sa cellphone man yan, kahit sa laptop man yan, you can access it. And kaibigan, usap tayo. Let's do one-on-one, kumbaga. Yan. One visitor at a time lang muna. Pag natapos si visitor na nasa stream, doon kayo papasok. Okay? Okay. Sige. Sir, di po tayo talo. Sir, dude, pare chong po ako. Admin boy. Admin boy, I love you. Love you, bebe girl. You are my bebe girl. You are not admin boy. Ay, Nieta, your battery is running low. Wait lang. Wait lang. Hindi kasi nakakonekta yung laptop ko sa saksakan. Bira kasi sabi ko gagamitin ko yung Yan. There we go. Saksak na. Shit, yung ko. Yan, okay na. Nakasaksak na sa charger. Ayun. Tuloy-tuloy na ang usapan. Tuloy-tuloy na ang maaga pa ang gabi. Di pa ako kumakain ng dinner. Kumain na kayo ng dinner, Habang nanonood kayo, ang gusto niyo matuto ng kung ano man. Hey, uso mag-charge boy. Admin boy, bebe girl. Kasi ganito yan, yung kapatid ko nakisaksak ng cellphone. Nakisaksak ng cellphone sa, ng charger ng cellphone sa akin. Binunot yung charger ko. Nakalimutan ko tuloy dahil sa lintik na ADHD ko. Ngayon, doon lang biglang nagano. Well, speaking of kapatid ko, kailangan ko na talagang ibigay sa kanya itong gamit niya. I'll be right back, folks. Don't change your channels. We'll be right back after these few messages. Okay, I'm back. This episode of Itanong Mo Kay Aquino is brought to you by the Citizens United, negating technology for life and people's safety. Use the promo code CUNTFLAPS to get 10% off of your first purchase on their merch store. That's CUNTFLAPS, CUNTFLAPS. Yeah, you can use that on their website. Kating-kati na talaga ako sabihin yung promo code sa Podtits, hindi ko magawa-gawa. Dahil I've sworn na hindi ko sasabihin yung hindi ako magmumura sa podtits. Oo. Podtitos and podtitas of the PPD. Go listen to them. Nasa Spotify yan, Anchor, and wherever you get your podcasts. Yan. Shout out sa mga karepa pips ko sa sa PPD. Si Dreyan, si Otits JP na may bigote na parang kino-cosplay si General Luna. Hello, Raj. Hello, Jack of Jack Talks Tech. And hello, Wesley Satira of Review. And si Shucks! Why do I keep on forgetting people? Ayan, JI of JI of Nax Podcast. Yon. Safe. Oh. Nagkaroon lang ako ng lapses sa memory. Fuck. Okay, game. So if you want more, if you have any more questions, you can you can comment it down below. I'll pin it up. Naging Canadian ako dun bigla. Or you can join in on the fun sa streamyard.com/whatever this bullshit is. Ang dami niyang kailangan Share ko ulit tong ko. Share ko ulit ang Facebook page. Share ko ulit ang you can join in on the fun. Ask me more questions. So ayun, after I left, the very first thing I worked on is in getting a new laptop and then getting Wi-Fi. Bagong Wi-Fi. Kasi nag-apply kami sa Converge August 8 pa lang. Wala pa rin silang sagot sa akin. So I got desperate. I had to go out, look for them, or look for another that would care or give a damn about this house. Buti na lang nag-reply si Globe after I applied. Parang last week lang ata ako nag-apply. Tapos a few days later, it's either last week or 2 weeks ago nag-apply ako kay Globe. Tapos kinabitan agad kami, which is nice. Okay na rin. Pwede na naka-fiber naman ngayon. So ngayon okay pa siya. Pero pag dumami na yung naka-fiber, babagal na 'yan. Sinusulit ko na yung mabilis pa ang Sinusulit ko pa yung mabilis yung lintik na internet. Sulitin na natin. So, yun. I really, really want people, please, send me more questions or join in this live stream. I think walang ngayon. I'm praying and hoping na sana meron kang sasali sa natin to. Kasi ang hirap magsalita lang ng dada ako ng wala namang It beats the purpose of having this Shit. It beats the purpose. Kung walang pupunta dito, it beats the purpose. Pero okay lang. Eh, hindi rin naman tayo, ano. Okay, so, ano pa bang pwede kong sabihin? Have you ever read Wicked? Yeah. Have you ever guys read Wicked? Yung play siya, yung musical na adapted from a novel. I have a copy of Wicked. Nandito siya. Wait lang. Game. Hello. So, I have a copy of Wicked here. I was actually planning on reading this as the production of the musical was being held here. Pero tinamad ako bigla, and I was actually enjoying this novel. It's a very interesting take on the ano yan? Yung Wizard of Oz lore. It's a very nice interpretation of the Wizard of Oz. Unfortunately, isang beses kalagitnaan ng pagbabasa ko ng librong to, I suddenly just stopped reading. And then after that, natagalan na ako sa pagbabasa, to the point na I actually forgot where I was in this novel. Ako naman si tanga, hindi naman naglagay ng bookmark. So I have to read all the way from the beginning again para lang maalala ko kung nasa na ako. Unfortunately, hindi ko rin alam kung nasaan na ako umabot bago tumigil yung pagbabasa ko noon, which sucks. Really, really sucks. I enjoyed reading this. It's like an adult version of of The Wizard of Oz. Yung hindi si ano yan? Sino nga yung author na? Nakalimutan ko. Bullshit. Pambira. L. Frank Baum. Hindi si L. Frank Baum ang nagsulat ng original na Wicked, ng Wizard of Oz. Yan. I kept on forgetting shit. God fucking damn it. Motherfucker. Hi. Hello, Muff. And please welcome please welcome my baby girl, Jade Okazaki. Hello. Love you, Muff. If you have more questions, please send it over. If you have more questions, just send it over. Email nyo message nyo sa comments sa baba. Paulit-ulit na to, nakakairita na. Para ako nang sirang plaka, gets natin, pero para papagana rin natin. Paulit-ulit para magkaroon ng retention sa isipan ng mga nanonood ngayon. So either mag-comment kayo ng questions nyo, or you can join in on the fun sa streamyard.com/whatever bullshit na nakalagay dyan. Yan. Hi, nasa na Chili Mansiko. Ang kulit mo, baby girl! Sabi ko sa'yo, makinig ka sa... Sabi ko sa'yo, ganito kasi yan, baby girl. Ang layo mo. Wala akong pang-commute. Hindi ako makakommute. Complicated ang commute scheme dito. And I don't want to risk your life and my life with COVID shit. I fucking hate this COVID shit. Pero kung gusto mo, I can order you Chili Mansi via Food Panda. For food and more delivered, yeah. Food Panda, bullshit. Whatever. Kung gusto mo man yun, I can send it over for you. You keep flirting with admin boy. Baba girl, ikaw si admin boy. Baba boy. Ikaw si... Sakit siguro. Nagpipik na siguro yun sa audio ko. Pambira. Hindi ko makita. Binaba ko yung audio interface ko, so di ko tuloy makita kung ano yung levels ko. Dinaba ko siya kasi gamit ko ngayon yung gaming mouse na kasama nitong computer ko. Saan na ba yung backpack ko? Saan na ba? Shucks. Nasa ko na itabi? Nandito lang naman yun wait lang. Dito lang. Ayan. May bag siyang kasama. Nandun sa gilid. Nandito rin si magkakasama yan yung laptop. Nakuha ko rin yung bag. Ang ayos nga saktong-sakto lang. Pwede ko magamit kung wala lang COVID. Na virus yan. So, kasama yon yung bag, tapos tong mouse, which is nice. So nga lang, nakakable siya. hindi siya battery. Hindi siya wireless. So, kailangan ko ibaba yung kasi masyadong maraming kable na nandito sa ko. If you can see this, kung nakikita nyo lang ang desk ko ngayon, it's not even a real desk. I'm recording my stuff na nakapatong silang lahat sa nightstand na sa tatay ko pa. I think we're planning on getting new shit. I think. Baka kumuha rin kami ng bagong study table. Pero, hindi ko alam baka this Saturday kami umalis. I don't know, I'm not sure. Wala pang plano eh. And besides that, sure, unemployed ako ngayon. I may be an unemployed guy. Technically unemployed pa ako. I'm still sending out my resumes. But now, when may internet na ako, I can finally do the work from home shit. Do the real work from home shit. And I'm currently just freelancing right now. Either audio, voice over shit, kung syempre naman, kailangan nyo. Oh, by the way, kung gusto nyo ng voice over, just PM me in my personal account and let's make it happen. Let's make your project happen. I'll see what I can do. Okay? Send me shit to do. Game. Sige. So, yun nga guys. Saan ang Kogo mo, Brad? Anong Kogo? Wesley. Hi, Wes! Hi, Raj. Sila yung pinag-aano ko. Saan ang Kogo mo, Brad? Anong Kogo? I just wanna know ano mo yung Kogo. Baka type mo lang yan. Hindi ko alam no. Pero, yun nga. If ever, just send it over again. Hindi ko alam yun yung baka logo. Saan ang logo mo, Brad? Dahil mukha akong alagad ni Brycan the man who can dayaw. Unfortunately, kailangan gamitin ng kapatid ko yung lumang laptop na binigay ko sa kanya. Ayun, logo nga, tama. I can't put it here dahil But if you want, I can just turn my camera off and boom. Yan. Nakikita niyo yung logo ko. Yan lang muna. Unfortunately, hindi ko pa pwedeng gamitin. Pag pwede kong gamitin yung extra ang laptop, I can hook it up there. Tapos may kable siguro nakatiwangwang dyan. Tapos kakabit ko lang dyan. May HDMI naman kami, so pwede namin isalpak lang dyan yan. And then we'll both be okay. Magiging parang the Brycan the man who can dayo lang ako. Alagad daw ni excuse me. Alagad ni Brycan. Yan yung may inside joke kasi sa sa Podtits GC eh. Sa PPD GC. Saan si Brycan ay may merong LCD palagi, nainggit kami kasi palagi may bukas na LCD sa niya. Sa likod niya na may logo. Yan. So anyway, shout out kay Brycan the man who can dial of the Young Leader podcast. He just finished his season 1. So if you want to, just yan. Listen to his show. Huh? Stream has ended. Di pa Ladies and gentlemen, sabi daw may nag-email sa akin. May nag-message sa akin, nag-end daw yung live stream. Di pa tapos live stream. Di pa tapos ang live stream. Yan. It's still up. Still live. Live pa naman tayo, di ba? Guys, you can still see my live stream, di ba? Sana naman, ang bira. Sayang naman ang lahat ng mga dinaldal ko kung hindi na tayo live. Bira. Anyway, technical difficulties on my Bebe Girls side of sana hindi as far as I know, live pa rin tayo. Hindi naman nagbabago. Yes, Mayor. Yan, Raj. Raj, kung gusto mo, sana ang manok ko, Mayor. Wala pang manok. Di pa, nangingitlog pa lang yung inahin. hindi pa siya fertilized, kumbaga. Ayun, maghintay-hintay ko tayo. Kung gusto niyo sumali sa katuwaan natin, mag-message lang kayo dito sa GC, sa comments, or join in on the fun. Paulit-ulit na ako dyan. Streamer.com/whatever that bullshit is. Yan. Sakit na lalamunan ko. Ba't di ako naglagay ng tubig? Tanga ko naman. Game. Yan. Okay. Ano pa bang pwede natin mapag-usapan? Ayoko namang iwanan natin to ng ganito lang. Kasi we're just 42 minutes in. According to my internal clock. Damn it! This. Yan. According to this, we're still 43 minutes in. Pepito's Oven ad break. Yan. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have kung mahilig ka, kung meat lover kayo, and gusto niyo mag-support ng local businesses, I really suggest you try out try out Pepito's Oven. Located sila sa Cubao Expo. I'm not sure kung open na uli sila for dine-ins. I think hindi pa. Pero as far as I know, yung mga binebenta nilang mga homemade na meats and sinaserve nila sa restaurant nila, binebenta nila through delivery ng frozen. Oh, they let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Binebenta nila yung mga homemade anong tawag doon? Meats nila na ginawa nilang meron silang mga sausages, mga cut meats, choice meats, and pwede kayo umorder sa kanila and then i-deliver nila yan sa buong Metro Manila. As far as I know, pwedeng buong Metro Manila. Sarap yan. Joining na. Set up muna ako. Ayos! Yun, ha? Yun, Brycan, the man who can't dayaw. Yeah, boy, here he is. Hello! Shout out sa ewan ko, ilang taon na yan? Lagpas isang dekada na ata yung flat screen TV na yan. Nasa sala pa yan dati. Pasindi na po. Yan. Yung bigots at least, yan, sabi ni Dreyan, one of the heads ng PPD, Philippine Podcast Directory. This episode of Itanong Mo Kay Aquino is brought to you by Bigotits. Ang bigote ni Otits. Who can? Brycan! Woo! Yeah, boy! Yeah, boy! Welcome to the show. If you're new here, you can comment down below any question you have. Or if you want, you can join in on the fun at streamyard.com/whatever that bullshit is. Yeah. Yeah, hintay ko lang mga katanungan yon. We're finally getting this show off the road after 45 fucking minutes. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Comments are finally flooding in. Yes. Yan, mga kaibigan, nandito na rin tayo sa Tanong Mo Kay Aquino. Nasaan ba yung Biblia? Kapatid na Daniel, Kapatid na Daniel, bakit mo kinakain ng glue? Kapatid na Daniel, bakit ka tanga palagi? Hayop ka talaga, kapatid na Daniel. Sana lang gagawin mo. Buisit. Anyway. Again, if you have more questions for me, di pa ako gutom. Pag nagutom ako, doon tayo mag-end ng stream. May katanungan kayo. Comment down below. Or, yan. streamyard.com/whatever that bullshit is. I'll ever use that. Brycan asks, ano po ang say nyo sa mga flat earthers at hobbits? Well, for one, hobbits are very good, they're good creatures of Middle Earth. I love them, especially their very hairy feet. Sobrang adorable. They're midgets compared to humans. And they know very, very good cuisines. I mean, saan ka ba nakita ng tao dito? Saan ka ba nakita ng mga taong kumakain ng second breakfast? I mean, ako, half breakfast pa nga yung kinakain ko lang. Hindi ko mga magawa yung second breakfast eh. Ayan. Anyway, with that, other than that, tungkol sa mga flat earthers, I have an actual funny story sa mga flat earthers. I actually once tried to infiltrate a flat earth society group sa Facebook once. A few years ago, parang 1 or 2 years ago. I can't remember kung kailan. Basta ang sumali ako doon, meron silang mga may mga Just for shits and giggles, I just wanna see how they operate in everyday and believing that the flat is Earth. Kumbaga, ganun. So pumasok ako doon. Nag-join in ako sa discussion sa page. Kasi yung mga questionnaire sila. Bakit sumali ka? Ano yung naniniwala ka bang flat yung Earth? And bakit conspiracy lang globe Earth? Kung theory, mga ganyan. Yan. Tapos, sumali ako doon. Sabi ko, sumali ako kasi gusto kong matuto. Naniwala na ako na ganyan. Binulshit ko yung mga sagot ko tulad ng lahat ng mga sagot ko sa mga quizzes ko at sa mga exam. Sumali ako doon. Tapos, pumasok ako. And sumakto kasi sa isang fandom group page para sa Love Live Sunshine, if you're ever familiar with that anime series. Meron kasing picture doon ng isang character na galang Chika Takami. And then, jokes lang naman yun pan-joke lang naman yun. Pero meron siyang, sa picture na yun, merong portrait niya, half-body portrait niya, tapos may isang flat earth sa gilid niya. And I can't remember how it really went down. Pero kung ang nakasulat doon, sa pagkakaalala ko, paraphrase ko lang yan sabi niya, we should put our trash into the ocean and just let it fall off the edge. And just let it fall off the edge. Kasi, yun nga, flat earth, diba? Wala namang dulo ang, may dulo ang flat earth. Lahat naman yan matatapon lang naman sa outer space. So, yun yung kinuha ko. Kinapi-paste ko yung picture na yun. Pinost ko nilagay ko doon sa flat earth group na yun. And then, sinabi ko sa caption, Chika Takami just saying nakalimutan ko na yung sinabi ko talaga doon. Basta spitting facts, kumbaga, ganun. Paraphrase ko na lang kung yung sinabi ko doon. Pagka-click ko ng post, publish post, kumbaga, doon ko nalaman na naka-post approval pa pala yun. Pending ng moderator approval. Yung mga post. So, ngayon, less than a second later, I discovered that I was already banned from the group. I was banned from the Flat Earth Society Facebook group. Yung largest Facebook group ata ng mga flat earthers sa Pilipinas. Ang dami nila doon, parang 10K ata sila doon sa group chat na yun, sa group na yun. So, yun yung kwento ko with my encounter with the flat earthers. They're all stupid. And I laugh at them. Kung may makakita man kayo sa if you ever are a flat earther right now, let me tell you, fuck you. Fuck you and everything you believe in. I laugh at you. I scoff at your direction. Okay, yan. Okay, next question from Wesley Satira of Review. Yan. Question from you, why does my cat vibrate? Abagay, malay ko. Pero Googles na rin natin. Why does the sun keep on shining? Why does my cat vibrate? Don't they know it's the end of the world? It ended when I lost your love. Okay, so ito. Sabi ni paring kapatid na Google, cats vibrate. Di ba sinasabi natin, cats purr? Parang mga tanga, inuulit ko yung tunog ng isang pusa. Pero, sabi ni paring kapatid na Korra, Q-U-O-R-A, hindi K-O-R-R-A. Never watched Korra, The Legend of Korra, and never will. But yan. Ayan. Okay. May bagong pasok tayo. May pasok na tayo sa live stream natin. Before we let him in though, kailangan ko munang tapusin, Todd. Tapusin yung naunang tanong. Cats don't purr. They actually move their mga vibration sa chest nila yon. That's why they may vibrate, kumbaga. Okay, yun. With that in mind, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our very, very the legendary Rajiv of the Rajiv Show. Woo!
Woo! Hey, thank you. Cheers. I like that opening, legendary. I never knew
Yeah,
it came back
legend.
to me.
Interesting.
Cheers. Hey, Carl, proud of you,
Interesting.
pal.
Yeah,
Proud of
thanks,
this
thanks, thanks.
stream.
Yeah,
Everybody who's here, I saw Bracken. I was interested in that flat Earth conversation, man. I like that conversation.
yeah, interesting. Papauwi ko sa yan. Puro kayong interesting. Sige, game. Game.
Sayo na.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you're not familiar, Rajiv is also one of the hosts of the PPD show, the podcast, and he has his own show called The Rajiv Show. And meron siyang blog
Yes.
series. You can, plug mo nga, Raj, plug mo.
Yes, sir.
Yung
Yes,
skit
sir.
mo.
Ano yun, sir?
Plug mo yung yung show mo at yung page. At yung,
my show,
yung blog.
Ay, i-plug ko na. Bilis naman.
Oh,
parang pinapaalis mo na ako.
Di pa, para formalities aside, okay na. Nandiyan na yung
All right. I gotta say, I did my Wednesday announcement since today is Wednesday. Pwedeng English, ha?
Sure,
nosebleed. I gotta say is that just today it was a crazy day. I created my Facebook page for the Rajiv Show, which actually just before I joined this, it hit 100 likes. So cheers to that.
Congrats, Pard. Congrats.
I did the page. It's funny. I did the page just the whole day. Basically, I was on the laptop the whole day. So saying, and then I also did the Instagram page at the Rajiv Show, and I also released Let's Talk series, which is conversation like this, but mine is more audio format. And of course, if anyone's interested, PM me, and I'm also inviting our phenomenal. If I'm legendary, I'm inviting our phenomenal host here, Carl Kino, with the LCD and everything. Cheers, man. I want you to be a part of this Let's Talk series. It's all about having conversation. What we're going to talk about is anything, inspirational, arts, music. You can see the background is artistic, and yeah, hindi ako masyadong guwapo ngayon, but yeah, it's been stressful.
Okay lang yan. We're all friends here. We're all friends here. Sige. Anyway, with that aside. Nakikita mo yung comments, nakikita ko sila.
Ayun.
Yeah, hindi ko sila. Yan, anyway, with that in mind. So, anong katanungan mo para sa akin ngayon, kapatid na Rajiv?
I gotta say, I've missed you, pal. We've missed you, basically. We've missed you a lot in the PPD show. You have a legendary
the
voice.
Pabilisan yun, Pabilisan yun. Kailangan ko palaging sabihin yun. Trademark ko na yan.
Yeah. I saw you went live, and I thought of Pipito's Oven. Even though I haven't seen the logo, I said, and then when I saw the Streamlabs, I think I joined one of the conversation, but it was too muffly. I couldn't hear everybody. So at least this one's much more better. So yeah, I feel honored to be a part of this episode. This is a nice episode, and I can see Bracken and everybody, join in. Let's have a conversation.
Yun yeah. I'm glad you had you still may time ka para makadaan din sa itanong mo kay Aquino. Gago ang sasagot. So, kapatid na Rajiv, ano ang iyong katanungan?
Grabe naman, kapatid. Which church am I from?
yung the dating way church yan, go.
Yeah. Anyway, I got some questions, some intellectual question. I noticed you're an intellectual person.
You've mistaken. Okay, continue.
No, but your topics in the Banyo podcast, you got some good stuff. I mean, I want to plug your stuff. You got some good stuff going on. Very deep, very philosophical. And I want to talk about
darn it, Raj, where have you been? No, nawala si Raj. Ang ganda na Doon na, every time na lang. Every single time. Damn it, every time na may importante may sasabihin sa akin, nawawala sila. Damn it. Ito, bumalik siya.
Bigla
Ayun. Bigla ka nawala. Kung kailan sasabihin mo na yung question.
Oo nga eh. Ito talaga, salamat talaga sa PLDT pag masarap ang usapan, ganyan palagi.
Yun nga eh, palagi sumasakto yun eh. Sayang. Kahit pag tumatawag ako kay Bebe Girl, kahit tumatawag ako sa Bebe Girl ko, every time na lang na may importante siyang sasabihin, either bigla siya napuputol, o ako yung napuputol bigla. Damn it! Ayun!
Bigla, parang I love...
Nasopranos ka na naman eh! Nasopranos ka, Pards! Pards, nasoprano ka! Nasopranos!
Nasopranos!
Nasoprano
ako ni PLDT, wala si Dreyan. Shout out si Dreyan.
Shout out sa inyong dalawa, pang bihira naman. Like so, game. Bago tayo masopranos ulit, pambira. Go.
Yeah. Interesting topic that I want to talk about is belief and how sing.
Okay.
It's more. This is coming from my heart because this is one topic that normally a lot of people don't want to talk about. You know, when you say I'm agnostic, they automatically say that you are atheist. You know, that kind of perception. Mm-hmm. And my reasoning behind the agnostic, before I get into the conversation, is that being a part of the agnostic side of things is you're open to various possibilities. As the people who know me from everybody from the Philippine podcast directory, and of course you, I'm half Indian. My name is Rajiv Doraiswamy, and I've been exposed to Hinduism, Muslims, and all these other perspectives in terms of belief. And what got me into agnostic is, of course, the sense of a line. There's a line that has been crossed between me and a certain belief that is always saying. I don't want to name names so that I won't get bashed online. But yeah, certain beliefs that never really resonated well with me, and hence I chose to become agnostic. And my question is, what are your thoughts on the ideas of gods? This is gonna be
which one? Ang dami nan.
Every possibility. I gotta ask.
Ang dami nila eh. Basta ano yung perception ko on deities existing, if ever they do. Ganun ba?
Wait, I didn't. Possibilities. Wait, I didn't get that. Medyo nag-muffle yung audio ko dito. My question is, what are your thoughts on the other possibilities of existence of gods? Like, you know, we got mythologies. Let's look at mythologies. We got Egyptian mythology, Thor, Norse mythology. We got the Greek mythology.
What if they all do exist?
Behind? Yeah. What are your thoughts? No. What are your thoughts behind those perceptions prior to the answer for one belief?
Yung bago nagkaroon ng monotheism.
Yes. Monotheism versus the possibilities of other gods.
First of all, thank you for that wonderful question. Second of all, second to yan eh. Ito bubullshitting ko na lang yung sagot ko kasi medyo kinabahan ako bigla doon eh kasi pang Miss Universe yung tanong. Pero
pwede
as far as I know,
pwede na lang ako mag-audio kasi yung
camera?
Oo. Mag-audio na lang ako.
Sige. Ayun.
Awesome.
So, as far as I know kasi, polytheism has been around since the dawn of time kasi almost every culture out usually are just stems from what they on their surroundings. Say, may mga Pilipino. Mga Pilipino dati ay polytheistic sila. Pero hindi lang yung meron silang isang set ng gods mismo pinaniniwalaan na lahat sila pinaniniwalaan isang ganito. Parang yung sa Greeks and sa Romans, hindi sila ganon. Every part ng Pilipinas, may sariling set ng pantheon nila. So sa norte meron sila, may sa Timog, may sa Visayas, may sa Mindanao, paiba-iba sila. In every culture in existence had at one point believed in a multitude of gods. Ang monotheism na yan, medyo parang it's still old. The concept is still old, but not as old as I think not as old. Don't count on me on this one.
Yeah.
Pero parang mas naunang belief in multiple gods kaysa sa monotheism. In my opinion.
Yeah.
Kasi dahil sa yan eh. Ito nga ngayon, currently right now, tinitingnan ko yung yung Wikipedia just in case matama nga ako. Pero
Yeah. Well, I don't need Wikipedia, but sorry to cut off here. But to understand monotheism, my understanding is, of course, monotheism came from the idea of it's an ideology that was influenced by the European side. So it's a Western thing. And of course, coming from an Igorot background, we got sing millions of gods. But the sad thing about it is the phasing out of the belief. I feel bad though. I mean, of course, we're living in the modern culture where things are changing. Technologies are starting to become gods nowadays. If you've noticed, and that ideology, it's hard to pinpoint the reality of belief in terms of today's society. And wow, I've spoken a lot of stuff that pwedeng makirime.
Okay lang. Send ka lang.
Yeah, my understanding to the Western philosophy of monotheism is based on the integration we got. If we look at history, we look at the Spanish Inquisition. Before the Spanish Inquisitions, the Romans, as mentioned earlier, the Romans had different gods. The Egyptians had different gods, and the Israelites had different gods. And when we go up to how the New Testament, of course, quoting New Testament, there were times where the Romans had to make sure, because I'm sure there's one day in their life they realized that, wait, we got a lot of gods for this. We got a god for your underwear. We got gods for your for your mirrors and everything. Why wouldn't we simplify it? And I'm sure that's when they decided, okay. And the influence of course, the movement that we're talking about, that I don't want to disrespect, is predominant, and it's taking over, and strangely it's changed in a good way. I mean, if a lot of people believe it that way, and there's a lot of people who take negative sides of it, and the reason why I want to have this conversation with you about belief is because I've always been skeptic about the idea that there are million possibilities of the ideas of gods, but and in today's culture and with technology, things have been changing. So I've always wanted to have a conversation with you. You're an intellectual level kind of guy with intellectual things. So I wanted to know your thoughts into this conversation, and I just wanted to hear what your thoughts are on that.
Ano pa, hindi ko na nasabi ko ng lahat ng yun. Basta ang alam ko, it's okay lang kahit anong paniwalaan mo.
Yeah.
Yan. As long as you're not infringing on any other individual's rights, go for awesome. It. If you believe in, may kaibigan nga ako, weekend siya. And I don't mind. Let them do what they believe in. If they believe that they're right, okay lang yan. As long as you don't step on other people. As long as you don't judge people for who they are, and go for it. I mean, okay nga lang yun eh. Kahit Zoroastrian, kung kahit Zoroastrian ka, I'm not sure kung may mga Zoroastrians pa rin. Pero they can go believe in whatever they want to believe in. I mean, they can also believe in God, in money. Can believe in whatever you want. I don't care.
That's true. I wanted to add this conversation. I think my next guest for Let's Talk series is my best friend from India. And I want to add that conversation.
Okay lang bang i-spoil mo 'yon ngayon or ano?
it's not really a spoiler. It's science. It's a sense of philosophy that I've looked up, reflected in time. It's funny the way I
Mm,
saw it before. When I was young, it was much different than I see it today. And the reason I want
mm,
to share that, actually, I want to share that philosophy is that um, it'll be mentioned also in the next episode, but it's not going to be the main topic of the next episode. But the idea that I asked me and my best friend, I think we were playing chess or something. We were playing chess in the stairs of my house in India, and then I just casually asked him, "Who do you consider as your gods?" And then he just asked me with a simple thing, "My mother and father, I prefer them. I look at them as gods." And I look back at it. I don't know if you agree with me,
mhm,
but the main ideology there when I was reflecting on it when I got older is that he had a main point. One is of course that the idea of God is provides safeness and comfort and stuff like that, and the idea of the gods as family is kind of powerful. To me,
mhm,
I always look at it as a powerful meaning, a powerful value. And for those who are parents and who are getting into saying, you guys are don't get it in the wrong way that I'm saying it, but you guys are doing a good job and maintaining and saying, and I praise you guys for doing that. That's phenomenal. It's a phenomenal thing. Uh, it's a phenomenal job to be saying to consider God. But that main ideology, that philosophy, I don't know if it went in, but yeah, mainly that was what I wanted to share.
okey lang 'yan, okey lang 'yan. Okey lang 'yan. I mean, I for one, don't get me wrong, ngayon ko lang na-encounter yung may mga taong naniniwala na they believe at, their family and
Hmm.
their parents as gods. Ngayon ko nga lang literally I just discovered ngayon may at least isang tao na naniniwala na gano'n. It's
Yeah.
kinda unconventional, I should say. Pero okay,
Yeah.
sige. Kinda makes
Yeah.
sense, I think. Pero ayun,
Yeah.
and I hope okay lang yung kaibigan mo. I hope he finds more enlightenment
Yeah.
in their life. Yan.
Oh yeah.
And
We're
all
still
the
in
luck
touch.
for
Yeah.
ayos.
We're
That's
still in
really good.
touch.
That's good.
Yeah.
Basta nag-uusap pa kayo. Anyway,
Yeah.
so, yan. Any more points on your question or baka may gusto ka pang matanong sa akin kasi we still have a lot of time left.
Um,
I think.
we,
Hindi ko
we,
alam eh.
I want to deviate from this thing. I just wanted to open with that conversation. That's one thing
Okay,
I've
sige.
always wanted to ask you. But I'm always open to various topics. If you open up to various topics, we can go Joe Rogan into this whole thing. I just hope PLDT doesn't really cut me off.
Ah, ano na lang. Let's plan things out. Tignan natin kung makakaano ako.
Yeah.
Let's do that format in your show.
Mm, yeah.
Para equal naman, kumbaga, ganun, 'di ba?
Mm. Yes,
Kasi
sir. Yes,
you
sir.
can yan. See, anyway, any more questions or clarifications? Anything kahit pang Miss Universe levels ng kasi kahit pang Miss Universe levels ng questions. Send mo lang
Gusto
sa
mo
akin.
yung mga ganun?
Okay
Sige.
lang, okay lang. Kahit bullshit pa yung kahit bullshit pa yung mga tanong, okay lang sa akin. Send nyo lang sa akin. Itanong mo kay Aquino, gago ang sasagot. Wait lang, shout out kay Miggy Garcia. Hi, Migs. Hello. If you have a
Hey, Mig.
question, Miggy Garcia, what's your question? Medyo madedelay lang to
Yeah.
dahil
Yeah.
sa Facebook comments.
Yeah.
Yan,
I'm
nagta-type na
actually
siya.
using the phone. I'm
Naka-phone ka
using the
lang.
phone.
Pero
Okay. Oh.
Ay, hindi connected yung BM800 mo?
Ginagamit ko yung BM800 via my phone. So what you can hear is
Okay.
basically V8 thing.
Okay, sige, okay. Isa tanong niya. Ito, tanong ni Miggy Garcia, is fire burnt? Parang lang to, yung tanong na is water
wow.
wet. Parang yung tanong lang is water
fire
wet.
burnt. Uy, malalim yan
Kasi ganito yan.
Ano yung gusto niyang sagot? Philosophically or dumbassly?
Yes. Yes. Yan, yes.
Paki-comment na lang, Miggy. Do you want it philosophically or dumbassly?
Sure as hell, yes. Yes ang sagot lang dyan. Yes ang sagot lang dyan. So, that only means one thing. Isang bagsakan mong sasabihin yung ano mo. Yung dumb-ass philosophical bullshit na sasabihin.
Masaya to.
And I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Yes,
sige.
Both will do. Go.
Sige, ako na lang yung philosophical. Ako na lang yung philosophical. Baka sige. Malalim yan eh.
Sige, adi kung ganon, ako muna pambunga.
Sige.
Ako muna,
yes,
sige.
Yes.
Is fire burnt? Is fire burnt? Parang ano lang yan eh. Water is wet. Is water wet? No. It makes things wet. Ergo, the fire itself isn't burnt. It's the thing that it's burning. So ano yung kahoy na sinusunog doon para mag-ignite yon, o kaya yung puso ko para sa pag-ibig ko para sa kay baby girl. Yan. Is this burning and eternal? Yan. Maganda yung ano ko. As you can see, may Bing Crosby flavor ang boses ko pag kumakanta. So, ayun. Is fire burnt? No. But the thing that it's burning is. Ayun. Ikaw. Raj, anong maisasagot mo?
The philosophical end of this is get ready the buckets. This is going to be an English conversation.
Yeah. Yeah, boy.
Is fire burn?
Baba boy.
That's a good question. That's a phenomenal question. What is life? And how is life built? We got the 4 elements. We got earth, wind, earth, wind, and fire. So one of the elements is fire. And what makes the idea of the philosophy? If you look at life is made out of labels. And kahit man hindi kayo together, label din pa rin yun, di ba?
Alien!
Ganun din.
Parang mas
ganun din. Kung nagjo-jokes din kayo, minsan, kung hindi sapat yung joke, di ba, nasunog kayo. Paano kaya yung relasyon? Di ba, burnt na rin yun, di ba?
Nakakalaw. Alien! Give me an alien, brother! Alien!
And that's how you think about it. If anyone asks you, is fire burnt? How about life? How about pag-asa?
Nakakalaw. Yeah, free thinkers. We are all free thinkers here, kumbaga. Oh no, free thinkers. Yan. Ika nga nung kaibigan ko na si Jibril. Yan yung kaninang unang-una nag-message kanina. Sabi, ika nga niya, free thinker. Yun.
Free thinker.
May ganyan pa talaga eh. Talagang ano. Alien, mga kapatid. Alien, mga kapatid. Alien.
Amen.
Alien.
Next question.
Alien.
Next question.
More questions, ladies and gentlemen. We have a lot of things to talk about. Ikaw, Raj, meron ka pa bang ano? Meron kang shoutout pa or whatever? Do you have any more questions?
Ay, nasagot mo na ba to kay Wesley? Nakita ko lang, kakikita ko lang.
Ay, ano,
why does my cat vibrate?
Ayun, yung bago ka pumasok, yun yung sinasagot ko. Cats vibrate. They don't really open their mouths to purr. Pag nagpo-purr sila, hindi sila gano'n. Yung vibrations ng chest nila yon. More vibrations ng chest. Kaya nakagawa nila yung sounds na gano'n. Yun yung unang tinignan ko kay kapatid na Google. Yan, dito.
Sana nakita ko kasi dito yung opening niya question from Yahoo. Bakit hindi niya tinanong si Bing?
Kasi iba yung sasagutin ni Bing eh. Si Google, sasabihin niya kung ano talaga yon. Si Bing, may paligoy-ligoy pa para sa isang sagot na sobrang layo.
This link is connected to, got another. Sige.
Ayun. Ayan, one more mula kay Miggy.
Sige,
Kapatid na Miggy, ano pang yung katanungan? Tingnan ko, baguhin ko yung ano. Yan, mas maganda pa pala to, pambira. Ayan.
I like this guy. Guy ba? Hindi ko alam kung guy or girl.
Gayan. Okay, yan.
Gaya. Oh, yan.
Kapatid na Miggy, ano pang yung katanungan?
Anong next
shoutout nga pala, question? Plug muna tayo, ladies and gentlemen. May merch ka na sa PPD page, di ba, Raj?
Oo, may merch. Pero wala pa akong habol doon. But let's promote. Let's promote our fellow promoter.
Ayan.
Ang galing nun ah. Let's promote our
merch.
yeah,
Kung
merch.
if you're interested in merch of the Banyo Podcast Reflush or the Rajiv Show, available siya sa Philippine Podcast Directory page, facebook.com/Philippine Podcast Directory. Yan, ito ng tanong ni Miggy. If you put milk into a bowl of cereal, is it now a soup, a broth, a beverage, or a sauce? Neither, because a cereal is not soup. For something to be a soup, it has to have broth.
I have a philosophical answer to that, but I got a follow-up question.
We're
talking about cereal. What are we talking about cereal here? Are we talking Kellogg's? Are we talking Chocos?
Any cereal. Any cereal. Basta kinakain mo na naka-bowl, na may kutsara, tapos nilalagyan mo ng gatas. I-googles na rin natin. Is cereal a soup? Pero tuloy mo muna sagot mo, Raj. Tingnan natin.
My philosophical answer to that question is, why do you want to think about that kind of questions? You know, I mean to say, you know.
You know,
yeah. Because if you think about it, again, coming back to the idea of labels, soup, broth, beverage is all the same banana. You eat the banana from right to left, it's still the same banana. So, you know, if you think about it, just have breakfast. Just have breakfast. This show is not sponsored by Kellogg's, just so you know. But yeah, just have breakfast.
Okay, side note lang, mabilis lang na segment ng The Banyo Podcast Reflush. Kellogg's was actually invented to cure masturbation.
Huh? What?
Oh, yes. Yung nag-invento nun, si Dr. Kellogg, anong pangalan niya? Kellogg's cereal. Yung cornflakes ng Kellogg's ay na-invento 100 years ago. Kaya nga, more than 100 na kasi 1916 pa siya. Kellogg was actually Kellogg invented his cereal to to stop little boys from masturbating. Kasi yung sobrang bland daw ng lasa nun, mawawala yung libog ng sa katawan ng bata. Yun daw yun.
Look at that. Kellogg's opened the idea of milk. Now think about that when you're having breakfast.
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah. I like the next question.
Okay, one more question. What do you think was in the Library of Alexandria? Scrolls. Next question. Before it got burnt. Well, technically, cornflakes is fucking tasty. Yes, it does. But it's supposed to curb your masturbation habits. You're not supposed to have more horny moments if you eat cornflakes made by Kellogg's.
Alam ko, I like this guy.
Double check pala. Alam ko.
This guy got some deep stuff.
Yun talaga, ganyan na invento. Mali pala ako, hindi pa pala 1906. He invented cornflakes in 1878 in hope that plain food would stop people from masturbating. No idea kasi sobrang bland ng cornflake na walang gatas. Doon siya shouldn't be soaked in milk. That's how you're supposed to eat cereal, by soaking it in milk. Don't be like John Green who soaked everything. Soaked his cereal in everything.
I got a philosophical answer. How the question? How the fuck does that? Okay, philosophical answer here. Miggy.
Last ito then yung sa Library of Alexandria game.
Okay, this get ready to get your mind blown. Think about it. It's Monday morning. You got to go to school. Mom's got blessing. Let's make it visual so that everybody is in the picture. So everybody, mom, sister, everybody, dad, morning coffee. Now you're a Kellogg's guy. And then once you open up, you get the Kellogg's, you get the milk. It's in the morning. So the follow-up to that is, when in that time on the planet would you ever start wanking in the kitchen table? You got one? If your mind was blown. Because I'm sure everybody doesn't want you to wank. Even they don't want to. They don't care about your business. You know, you got to take that to the banyo. I connected that to the banyo podcast. You got to take that to the banyo, take that to the bed. That's your business. But when on earth would you ever, you know? So that's the answer to the question.
Oo nga, no. Puta. My blown has been minded. My blown has been minded. My brain is melting. Okay.
Yeah. So think about it.
Game.
You sleep and eat Kellogg's in the morning.
Yeah. Okay,
So
game. Dito. What do you think was in the Library of Alexandria? In seryosong natin to. I believe, yung mga scrolls na, kasi ang original na concept kasi ng Library of Alexandria, yung sa Alexandria kasi, was founded as a city of intellect and knowledge. Yun yung ginawa ni Alexander the Great nung yung in-establish niya ang Alexandria sa Egypt. There are a lot of cities named Alexandria throughout his empire. Marami talaga yan. Hindi lang iisa Alexandria. Pero yung pinakasikat doon ay yung Alexandria na may library. Sa ano. Now, para makapasok ka sa city nila, if ever man isa kang scholar or may dala kang isang libro na punong-puno ng knowledge, you have to give up your original copy to the library. And then, sa library na to, isa-save nila yung i-archive nila yon, and yung mga scribes na nagtatrabaho sa library na yon, they hand copy everything in that scroll, and then yung copy yung ibibigay uli sa iyo.
Wow.
Kasi ang gusto nila mag-store ng knowledge yon, yung library na yon, maraming information. It's basically their old-timey Google. Doon nila nilalagay yung knowledge and yung information na nakukuha nila all throughout kahit saan ka man pumunta, kahit saan man galing, kung pupunta ka sa Alexandria, kailangan mong isuko yung mga scrolls na dala mo or knowledge na dala mo para i-transcribe nila. Ngayon, with its destruction, we may have lost a lot of knowledge na hindi na natin makukuha ulit. May mga na-imbento siguro sila. May mga knowledge sila na-discover na delay ang paggamit natin dahil nasunog yung Alexandria na yun. Yung Library of Alexandria na yun. So the library was just one ancient Google. Yes, yun ang purpose ng Library of Alexandria. Hindi lang siya pizzazz na parang pupuntahan mo para gumawa ka ng thesis. It's a haven of knowledge. That's where you go to learn. Blown mind. Yung parang ganun. Blow your fucking minds out without using a shotgun. Fuck! Yung ko.
Wow.
Yung yung ring light ko, na-aksidente ko natapakan yung kable. Anyway, ayan. Yun yung use ng Library of Alexandria.
Nice. I can't follow up to that. I don't even know. Hindi ko rin ka-text. Hindi kasi nag-message si Alexandria kahapon eh. Hinihintay ko hanggang 5 a.m.
Oy, sino yan?
Oy,
sino yan? Sino yan si Alexandria?
Si Alexandria. Kasi
shotty would be nice. De Rossi?
Sabi niya daw wala daw magbabantay sa library kagabi. Kaya sabi ko, ako na lang, tol. Sabi niya, sige. Bigyan kita yung susi ba? Pero wala naman, hindi nag-follow up. Kaya sabi ko, ano naman to?
Fuck you, Alexandria.
I know, right?
Fuck you, Alexandria. Fuck you.
Yeah. Next question, Miggy. Keep shooting that question. Don't say I have another. Just shoot your question, man. Just go.
One more. Kasi medyo nag-aasip na ako.
One more times, man.
One more. Whenever man may tanong ka pa, one more question before I wrap everything up. Kasi medyo ina-acid attack na ako. Hindi kasi ako kumain muna eh. Kumain na ba kayo? Kumain muna kayo.
Ako nga rin eh.
Ako ina-acid na ako eh.
Working 9 to 5. Diretso-diretso ang trabaho ko dito. Kasi, Miggy, get us your next question, man. Anyone who's tuning in live.
Kung meron pa kayong mga katanungan, just send it over. Makikita
mo ba yung mga live dyan? Hindi ko makikita yung mga live eh.
May one na nanonood. May one na
Sino
nanonood.
kaya? Wesley, ikaw ba yan?
Wes, may tanong ka man. Send lang kayo. Yan.
Yeah.
Yung unang balik ko dapat ano eh. Yung episode 3 ko dapat abot ako ng lagpas isang oras kaso
Ay, oh?
ang bira, naka-data
Solo?
lang ako noon eh. Oo, solo yun.
Ayun.
Ano yun eh?
May message tayo.
May bagong message. How did milk tea come to exist and how did it get popular? Don't get me wrong, I like that stuff, but come on. Yung milk tea as in yung tsaa na nilalagyan ng gatas tapos malamig, may pinapainom mo ininom mo na may pearls. Ano ba? Google natin. Milk tea.
Mag-google ka pag-isipan ko to.
Sige, ikaw muna. Depende nga pala sa anong klaseng milk tea, Miggy.
Ano to?
Kasi maraming klaseng milk tea.
parang gusto kong tanungin tong matino yung sagot nito.
kasi merong bubble tea, cambric tea, Hong Kong style milk tea, Dodi Pati Chai, Tetarik, Sute Chai, Chahi Halib, Masala Chai, Irani Chai, Thai Tea, Royal Milk Tea, Dalgona, tapos sa Pilipinas, wala sa Pilipinas.
Milk tea basta came maraming to existence, in my speculation, because I'm reading your comment 5 times already, is milk tea came to the existence of the idea of proportion.
What do you mean?
In the idea of proportion, what proportion? I mean is, I'm sure some of us have stepped foot in Starbucks or and ordered Starbucks. I'm a Starbucks version, #Starbucks version. But we know in the chalkboards, diba, yung mga chalkboards, they say, cappuccino, this chino, that chino, El Diablo, whatever chino. They have proportions, they got 10% milk, 5% this, 10% shit, whatever shit they put in that, so it's based on proportion. And I'm sure that when we have coffee, we got certain amounts of, I think, I'm not sure about the exact proportions for coffee, but there's a certain proportion where coffee is, milk is, and sugar is. Some people want go straight to Barako, some with milk, some with sugar. So it's depending on the proportion of milk tea, because tea, if you compare tea, it also has a proportion. And a lot of people are lactose intolerant. But in the terms of the idea of milk tea, I'm sure a lot of people like to drink milk a lot and they want to influence milk. So in order to put that as a marketing strategy, just like the marketing strategies that they've done over the years, over all the other products, they wanted to make sure that milk becomes popular again. So they, in hindsight, they want to make saying now tea is also dying, so they want to make those two things work. So I'm sure somewhere down the lab say, hey, let's put a lot of proportions for milk and let's just sell it and see if it goes. And that's your answer. That's just speculation.
Pag tea ba, ano mas prefer mo? Malamig o mainit?
Mild, I think, is the midway.
Maligamgam na tsaa. Kasi ako hindi ako pala, aminin ko sa inyo. Si Bebe Girl. Shout out kay Bebe Girl. Ano yan testament siya nito. Hindi ako pala, umiinom ako milk tea. Pero, para sa akin, lahat ng milk tea, lahat ng brands ng milk tea, lahat sila magkakalasa sa akin. Nagbabago lang sa brand tapos kung magkano yung binabayad mo. Pag tsaa naman na mainit, hindi ko pala inom ng tsaa na mainit dahil parang tubig lang yan na lasang nilagyan ng pinakulo ang tubig na nilagyan ng dahon. Ginawa ko naman sarili kong baho. Basta ayun. Yeah. Iced tea still is the best kind of cold tea. Yes. Also, iced tea was invented by the Europeans, as far as I know.
Yeah. But iced tea, from my perspective, is I'm sure it has lemon and all that stuff. And
Ay, sa akin yung ano
I
lang.
don't.
Ako lumaki ako sa ano sa Nesty lang eh. Basta Nesty malamig, okay na yan. Pwede na yan. Tsaka na yan.
Like I said,
Ah?
I don't really believe in saying labels. So yeah,
Mhm.
milk tea, iced tea. As long
Mm.
as there's tea in it, let's go. As long as there's no pee in it, it's tea. Let's go. Bada boom. Let's do this business. You know what I mean?
Hindi mo magugustuhan mo ata ang ano, JoJo's Bizarre Adventure Part 5 Vento Aureo. Kasi meron silang may scene sila doon kung saan yung bida na si Giorno Giovanna ay uminom ng isang tasa ng tsaa. Magugustuhan mo ang scene na yon. I-google mo na lang sa ano. I'm not going to spoil you with the plot kasi parang minor throwaway gag lang naman yon. Pero if you were to I invite you, Raj, to go on YouTube and then watch Giorno Giovanna tea scene sa part 5 ng JoJo's Bizarre Adventure.
Sure.
May enjoy mo yun.
PM mo sa akin yung link. Let's do it. I'm always looking for good stuff to watch.
Yan, panoorin mo ang ano. Pero if I were you, kung manonood ka ng JoJo from the if you're getting into JoJo's Bizarre Adventure talaga, you don't watch kasi yung story nun, overarching story nun is separated in parts. You don't skip parts at all. You always start at part 1 kasi it will may consequences yung nangyari sa part 1. Ramdam yun sa part 2, part 3, part 4, yada yada yada.
Ooh,
so if I were you,
nice.
If you're going to watch JoJo's Bizarre Adventure, you're going to watch all the way from part 1. Na lahat naman season 1 ng anime adaptation ngayon is part 1 and part 2 kasi may iksing parts lang naman yan. So
lahat
part 1 is
YouTube. Everything is on YouTube.
Hindi, you can watch it in Netflix, you can watch it in kung may anime daw pa, yung mga anime streaming websites, you can watch JoJo's Bizarre Adventure over there. So ako stuck ako sa part 4. Di na ako umusad doon kasi addict pa ako, masyado pa ako invested sa Kamen Rider. Di ako makapasok-pasok talaga, tinatamad akong pumasok ulit sa
familiar, Kamen Rider.
Ang dami na nila. Nasa Kamen Rider Saber na ako. So if I were you, Raj, you're going to watch part 1 of JoJo's Bizarre Adventure, Phantom Blood. Tapos, Phantom Blood, tapos Battle Tendency, tapos Stardust Crusaders, and then Diamond is Unbreakable, and then Vento Aureo. Wala pa yung part 6 eh. It already has 8 parts. 8 parts sa manga. Hanggang ngayon, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung part. Basta, yun. Anyway, yun. Best kind of tea, Europeans made iced tea. Na pagkakaalala ko, don't quote me on this one, ha? Pero ang pagkakaalala ko, I'm not sure if the British invented iced tea. I'm not sure. Hindi ako familiar.
The Indians
invented tea. Hindi ako familiar. Nakalimutan ko na to. I'm most likely mali ako. I may be wrong in this one. Basta may nabasa lang ako somewhere. Nakalimutan ko na. It's in my, don't quote me on this one na lang. Yun na lang yun. Basta yun. So, ayun. Milk tea, Library of Alexandria, and if the fire was burning. So, ayun. Thanks, Migs. Thanks, Miggy. Thanks, Raj. May masasabi ka pa ba? May ma-add ka pang points, more plugs, or anong maabangan pa nila sa palabas mo or whatever? Basta kung may masasabi pang pampa-plug, kumbaga. Ganun. Yeah. Ano pang masasabi mo?
Miggy, if you're still with us, I'll plug my show after this thing. It'd be nice to connect with you. You're really a fascinating specimen.
Specimen? Bihira to na naman tayo sa mga specimen. Ayok na yan. Mga specimen. Scientist ka ba, Raj? Scientist ka ba? We are not guinea pigs. Come on.
Pero think about it as a compliment. I mean...
Alright, fine. Sige, fine. Compliment na yun. I'll take it as a compliment. But don't you ever experiment on my body.
No.
Basta yun. Sige.
The moment I even crack by the skin, I'll be puking half.
Okay, sige. I'm thinking gawin kong weekly ang IMCA sa Wednesdays, maganda bang idea yon? I'm thinking of doing it weekly kung kaya ko. Pero kung hindi man,
Yeah.
okay lang. Hindi naman mawawala sa akin. It would be nice kung magiging weekly yon. So, ayun. Thanks, Raj, for being in this show. And I hope
Thanks.
you
I'll show
makapag-comment ka
myself now.
pa.
Yeah.
Ayun. Kung makaka-comment
I'm
ka pa
back.
ulit, just send more questions.
Pwede ba ako mag-replug ulit for those who missed Sing?
Sige, okay lang. Go. Okay
Yeah.
lang. It's your time to shine. Go.
Rajiv Doreswamy, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, all the other good stuff. Wala pa ako sa Pornhub, so don't worry.
Sayang.
For
doon ka sa Desi tag. Nasa Desi.
But that's my personal brand, Rajiv Doreswamy. And if you're looking for my show, my podcast, fresh, this is new. The Rajiv Show is very simple, RAJIV. It's on Instagram and on Facebook. And Let's Talk series is coming up, so we got a lot of thing. And with yours truly, I don't know which side I'm saying. With yours truly, Carl, and on my side, correct, this side.
Yo.
Where I'm pointing, this side. Okay.
Mali.
Point,
Baliktad.
Yeah. Baliktad. Okay. Wherever side he is in this video, I'm featuring him as well. I'm gonna reach out to him. Let's Talk series. This is gonna be fun. You're gonna get to know a lot of phenomenal people, from regular people, just like you and me, who loves arts, music. I think we have sports, we have baseball, and we have baking. There's a lot of good stuff coming up. So tune in, Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Anchor, and all these good stuff, YouTube as well. And that's my plug. And thank you so much for having me. And na soprano ako sa first, and now I think I can hear you much better ever since I came back from the audio. So
Ayos.
Yeah.
Thanks, Raj. Thank you.
And Carl, you're a legend. You're a phenomenal person. Keep doing what you do. Much love. Stay safe. And I'm proud of you, pal. Keep doing what you love.
Yeah. Thank you, Raj. Yeah. See you soon. Okay, so that's Rajiv of the Rajiv Show. If you're interested in his stuff, sabi na niya yan. I hope na i-share rin naman niyo to mamaya. Raj, i-share mo to mamaya kung gagawin ako hindi. So, ayun. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I think that's all for today. And I hope you had fun. Tingnan natin kung magagawa natin ulit to next week. Let's make it a weekly thing. Yeah, I think I think we can do this a weekly thing. So anyway, if that's it, more plugs. Lahat naman gumagalaw kanina pa yung facebook.com/itanong mo kay Aquino. Go like it up. Go like it. facebook.com/stories and podcasts. Kung nagugustuhan nyo ang ginagawa namin dito sa The Banyo Productions, it's just basically me and Bebe Girl. You can donate, send money to us. To the payamani natin si Carl Aquino Foundation via coffee.com. That's ko-fi.com/The Banyo Productions. And you can also purchase my zines and other upcoming zines, PDF format sa gumroad.com/stories and podcasts. Yan. Anyway, that's all for tonight. I'll see you guys on the next live stream. Goodbye. Adios. How do you turn this off? Yan. Ngayon lang ako nakapagsubok ng StreamYard. Basta yan. Good night, ladies and gentlemen.